Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 websites that I use every single day to save my time, to make good use of my time, and to save my money, and to also make even more money. So stick with me with this video, do not skip any part of it. Let's now dive into my laptop right now. Let me show you a couple of things which you need to know about these 3 websites that I use. Basically, one of those websites gives me a number to verify any social media network. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only and it should not be used for any illegal activity. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys a website that gives me email, that is temporary email, to verify anything without me having to create new email to verify any random things that I meet on social media. So, and lastly, I'm going to be talking about this new website that actually saves me money and also makes me more money. So before we continue with the video properly, remember this video right here is not a financial advice. Every website has its own risk, so do well to do your own proper research before you take any action, because you are 100% responsible for all your action after watching this video. And also for the number, for the website that gives us free number, remember, do not use it for any illegal activity. This website that gives us a temporal number to verify social media networks, it can receive SMS. All right, so you can use it to actually make good use of your time and of course save yourself money. And right now, without me talking too much, let's now dive in. Let me show you these 3 websites that I've just mentioned right now. First, right here, this is temp number, and it basically allows you to use any phone number from any country, and with this phone number you can copy it and you can receive SMS from this phone number, and also you can use this phone number to verify any social media platform. And of course right here you can see people are using it real time 1 second ago, and of course this is the code that this person got right here, verifying maybe a social media network or maybe receiving a text message. And second right here, this is Biker Global. Literally this website allows you to earn real USDT. Totally I've made about 200 USDT, and guess what, I have made tons of withdrawal. The money is currently right now chilling with me. So right now let me take you to the third and the final one right here. This is temp mail. What this website does is that it gives you an email address that you can use to verify any temporary website you are currently on without having to go and create tons or dozens of email on your phone. So you can simply copy this email right here, and any message sent to this email, you are going to be receiving it right here. Okay, and once you receive it, you can then make use of it the way you want it. Okay, but there's one thing to note before going to these websites. This website that we just spoke about right now, first of all, remember to do your proper research. Cryptocurrency has its own risk, so you should be aware of that before going to anything that has to do with making money. Do proper research. You are responsible for all your action. And for the number, for the website that gives temporal number and temporal email, you guys need to know that it has its own risks, because it only gives you temporal phone number and temporal email. You could use it once and never have the opportunity to use it again. So if you want to be using it, make sure you're using it on maybe a platform where you can just use it temporarily. It is not for something permanent, temporary. That is why it has temps on the beginning of the name, because it offers you temporal services. So you should be aware of this before you go ahead to make use of it. So thanks so much for watching the video guys, and do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I'll be sharing very soon.